Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Continuing our electric kettle series today, we're going to be unboxing the Secura electric stainless steel double wall kettle. We bought this for $35.49 on Amazon and we think it's going to be a contender for our top list in the near future. But that's for another video. For this one, we start off by looking at the packaging. Okay, so we can see right away that the capacity is 1.7 liters. It runs on 1500 watts. It's PPA free. Double wall, no scalding, safe to use. Stainless steel interior, easy to clean. One touch pop-up lid. Some more information here. And some illustrations. Yeah, now let's open it up. Okay, so the first thing I see is the instruction manual. Seems to be quite of good quality, quite thick. We have here cardboard pad, one more cardboard pad. And here's our kettle. Here's the base and cardboard pads at the bottom. Okay, let's take a closer look, shall we? Here's the base. Remove the plastic. So the base is made out of plastic, but the color is black onyx, quite eye-catching. The cord is one of the longest I've seen so far, maybe around like 35 to 40 inches, which should be plenty enough for household use. And at the bottom we have the cord storage. Now let's take a look at the kettle. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is that even though it's double wall and with a stainless steel, it's not heavy at all. It's actually quite light and it feels very comfortable in the hand. Of course, due to its design, it doesn't have a water level marking. Okay, one touch control, one touch pop-up lid. Okay, you can see that the inner lid and the interior of the carafe, as well as the interior of the spout, are stainless steel, and it also has a home filter for the spout. Now let's try assembling the kettle on the base. Okay, turns smoothly, but it doesn't seem to be very sturdy. So we'll see about that once we boil the water. Okay, I have the water here. I'm going to pour in 1 liter. As you can see, the opening is large enough so that you can get water from any sources without problem. Okay, so you can see a red indicator light at the switch for when the kettle is running. While we're waiting for the water to boil, let's take a look at the instruction manual, shall we? Okay, so I can see here all the different colors. This kettle. Okay, some parts description, features, how to use, how to clean, technical information, all the basics. But yeah, it does look pretty good. Okay, now let's wait for the water to boil. Okay, even though I can't see, I can hear the water coming to a rolling simmer in a very short period of time. Okay, it's come to a rolling boil. Let's see when will the oven turn off. Quite fast, but I can see that the vapor is coming out from around the lid, so maybe it's not 100% tightly sealed, which might be a bad thing considering this should be able to keep the water warm. Anyway, let's take a look. Okay, so even though this is the first boil, I'm not noticing any odd odor, no plastic smell, no metallic smell, so that's a good sign. Now, let's try pouring the water. Okay, you can see here that the kettle is completely scald-free. I can touch it without problem. It doesn't even get hot. Okay, the handle feels good in the hand. You don't have to tilt so much. The water stream is fast and steady. Awesome. There you have it, the unboxing of the Secura electric stainless steel double wall kettle. First of all, I'm really impressed with the design. At such a reasonable price, the kettle's double wall feature kept the exterior from getting hot at all times. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be able to keep the water hot for. You're gonna have to wait for our in-depth review video where we dive all the way into the design, usability, and performance in the near future. So, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!